Hey, check this out. Bam! Random. Yeah. Oops, I rebooted it. Random. Come on, give me some different numbers. Yes.
One more time.
I know what you're thinking. That is so cool. I would never even know where to start to write a program like that. Well, stay with me because we're gonna break this down and show you exactly how it's done. Random numbers. When you're learning to code, one of the best ways to learn is to do remixes, where you take a challenge of your own design or one that someone else gives you and you code it yourself, totally from scratch. So today's remix challenge on the CodeX is a dice roller. You're gonna use the display functions of the CodeX to put a different number every time a button is pressed. So you're gonna use the Python random library to do that. That's our challenge for today. Let's get started. All right, let's dive in. So we're gonna create a dice roller program. We're gonna start with a really simple one. So right now I've just got from CodeX import star, and then I'm printing the number 3. So this is a totally loaded dice. It's only gonna ever roll 3, but let's just see if it works. I've got my CodeX plugged in here. I hit run, and I get 3, yay. So just as I suspected. So that's cool, but now instead of just a 3, let's make this thing random. So I'm gonna make a random number, I'm gonna call it dice. So that needs to be a variable that I create up here. I can use the random module. So if I import Python's random module, then I can say dice equals random dot, and there's a function called rand range that would be perfect for this. So rand range, you give it a start. So I'm gonna start with the number 1, that's my lowest dice roll, and go to the second parameter for rand range is like 1 bigger than you want it to be. So I want this to be 6-sided die, so I'm gonna go to 7, or from 1 to up to, but not including 7. All right, so that's my dice number. So here we go. I'm gonna run my program again, and this time I have no idea what the number's gonna be. It is gonna be a 4, not a 3, see? It was different. And every time I run it, I'll run it again. It's a 6. Hey, got a 6, cool. So that's nice, but now I have to restart my program every time if I want a dice roll. I really want this to be able to like be portable, and I can just take it anywhere and just press the button really quick and roll different dice numbers. So to do that, I need to put it in a loop. So I'm gonna make a while loop here. While true, that's our infinite loop. I'm going to indent my little dice roll out there. And now I need to wait for a button press. So let's do if buttons was pressed, and we'll use just button A. Use any button you like. Make sure you put a colon at the end of the if statement, and then indent the little dice roll there, and let's see what happens. Run this again. So now it's gonna wait for button A to press. It's gonna be sitting there waiting for you to press button A, so it displays nothing to start out with. When I press button A, oh, I get a 4. I think I've seen that one before. Click it again, I get a 2. Ooh, it shifted down a little bit because we're using the print statement. Oh, and then so 1. I'm getting different numbers, so it's working, but I see the remnants of the previous number like right above my number, so it's not super awesome. So what I need to do to fix that is just clear the display each time. So now each time I roll the dice, before I roll it, I'm gonna clear it. So display.clear will clear that up. Run it one more time. So now every time I click it, hey, I get a different number, all clean and cleared on this display. I can unplug and turn this thing on batteries because there's batteries in there, and then every time I click the button, I'm ready to go. All right, thanks for watching.